Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss the next lecture of Unit 5 related to disaster risk reduction DRR. है ना, DRR हम पढ़ेंगे डिजास्टर रिस्क रिडक्शन प्रोसेस कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं, क्या क्या पॉइंट्स होते हैं उसमें, चाहे वो आपके गवर्नमेंट पॉइंट पे हों, चाहे वो आपके किसी इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे हों। हम इसमें ये डिस्कस करेंगे डिजास्टर रिस्क रिडक्शन हम कैसे कंप्लीट करते हैं। Disaster risk reduction (DRR) is a systematic approach to identifying, assessing, and reducing the risk of disaster. It aims to reduce socio-economic vulnerabilities to disaster as well as dealing with the environmental and other hazard that trigger them. है ना, डिज़ास्टर रिस्क रिडक्शन में हम क्या देखते हैं कि जो भी इन्वायरमेंट से हम डील करते हैं, कुछ चीज़ें हम ऐसी करती हैं इन्वायरमेंट में जिनसे हम अफेक्टेड होते हैं, तो उन्हीं चीज़ों को हम संभालने का प्रयास करते हैं। Here it has been strongly influenced by the mass of research and vulnerability that has appeared in print since the mid 1970s. It is the responsibility of development and relief agencies alike. It should be an integral part of the way such organizations do their work, not an add-on one-off action. Disaster risk reduction is very wide-ranging. Its scope is much broader and deeper than conventional emergency management. There is a potential for disaster risk reduction initiatives in just about every sector of development and humanitarian work. अगर मैं बात करूं डिजास्टर रिस्क रिडक्शन, तो डिजास्टर रिस्क रिडक्शन इज़ नॉट अ स्मॉल डिस्कशन मैटर। ये एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रॉड रेंज में इस चीज़ का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होता है। अगर मैं इस बारे में बात करूं आपसे, ठीक है, तो इसमें हम यही चीज़ देखते हैं कि इसमें जो भी इनिशिएटिव्स लिए जा रहे हैं डेवलपमेंट्स के द्वारा, ह्यूमैनिटेरियन वर्क के द्वारा, उन्हीं चीज़ों को हम क्या करते हैं, उन्हीं चीज़ों को हम इम्प्लीमेंट करने का ट्राई करते हैं, प्रयास करते हैं। द मोस्ट कॉमनली सीटेड definition of disaster risk reduction is one used by UN agencies such as United Nations Office and for Disaster Risk Reduction, also known as UN Office for Disaster Risk Reduction and the United Nations Development Programme UNDP. The conceptual framework of elements considered with the possibilities to minimize vulnerability and disaster risk throughout a society, to avoid prevention or to limit mitigation and preparedness. The adverse impact of hazard within the broad context of sustainable development, है ना, जिसमें हम सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट करते हैं। ये कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस थी, यूनाइटेड नेशंस ऑफिस फॉर डिजास्टर रिस्क रिडक्शन UNISDR। अगर अपने नेशन में बात करूँ, यूनाइटेड नेशन डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम UNDP के तहत देयर आर सो मैनी प्रोग्राम्स वर इनिशिएटेड बाय द UNDP, है ना। तो ये सारी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ये सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ही इसकी पूरी जवाबदारी लेती हैं और उनके लिए गाइडलाइन बनाती हैं। तो डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट टू डिजास्टर रिस्क रिडक्शन की अगर मैं बात करूं, द एवोल्यूशन ऑफ डिजास्टर थिंकिंग and practices since the 1970 has been progressively wider and deeper understanding of why disaster happen, accompanied by more integral holistic approach to reduce their impact on society through reducing risk before it occurs. Disaster risk reduction or disaster risk management, as well as managing impact when disaster occur. Disaster management, it is being widely embraced by international agencies, governments, disaster planner and civil society organization. इसमें आप देखिए, इसमें कौन कौन सी इंटरनेशनल कुछ एजेंसीज़ होती हैं जिनमें इनका इंटरफेयर रहता है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें हम इसी में इंक्लूड करते हैं। DRR is such an embracing concept that has proven difficulty to define or explain in detail, although the broad idea is clear enough. Inevitably, there are different definitions in the technical literature, but it is generally understood to mean the broad development and application of policies strategies and practices to minimize vulnerability and disaster risk throughout society. The term disaster risk management DRM is often used in the same context and to mean much to same thing, a systematic approach to identifying, accessing and reducing risk of all kinds of associated with hazard and human activity. It is more properly applied to the operational aspect of DRR, the practical implementation of DRR इनिशिएटिव। दिए गए इमेज में आप देख रहे होंगे फ्लड की कंडीशन क्रिएट हुई है, तो उसी के चलते यहाँ प्लान्स बनाए गए हैं। अब मैं बात करता हूँ व्हाट इज़ द डिजास्टर रिस्क रिडक्शन। डिजास्टर रिस्क रिडक्शन इज एवरीथिंग दैट वी डू टू प्रिवेंट और रिड्यूस द डैमेज कॉज्ड बाय नेचुरल हैजार्ड लाइक अर्थक्वेक, फ्लड्स, ड्रॉट एंड स्टॉर्म। Recognizing the need of increased DRR effort, nearly 170 countries adopted a 10-year framework in 2005 to make the world safer from natural hazard, called the HYGO Framework for Action। ठीक है, 10-year framework बनाएगा 2005 to 2015 and DRR effort के थ्रू around the 170 countries। The framework expired in 2014. The conference this week is an opportunity for world leader, government agencies, NGOs and international organizations to come together and reflect on the progress made over the last decade. However, our most important agenda is in looking forward is what remains to be done and accessing how we can address shifting needs। तो इस समय आप देख रहे होंगे कोई साइक्लोन वाली कोई कंडीशन क्रिएट हुई है जिसमें आप इस चीज़ का अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं। इसका रिकॉर्ड भी दिया गया, आप देखिए। सुपर टाइफून Haiyan hit the Philippines, destroying entire town across the country. Thanks to disaster risk reduction and preparedness effort, when Super Typhoon Haiyan hit the Philippines just a year later, damage was minimal. Kirk USAID बिल्डिंग रेजिलेंस की बात करूं, थ्रू द ऑफिस ऑफ यूएस फॉरेन डिजास्टर असिस्टेंट OFDA, USAID respond to an average of 70 disasters in 50 countries each year. In just the past 10 years, we have responded to the massive 2010 Haiti earthquake, super typhoon in the Philippines, earthquake and hurricanes by across Latin America, and large-scale flood and an earthquake Pakistan. We don't just respond, USAID also work to build resilience by helping vulnerability communities prepare for disaster before strike. We do this strengthening early warning system and preparedness like in Latin America, integrating DRR with disaster response as we did in Bangladesh, providing training such as the improved farming method in Afghanistan to help people withstand future disaster and helping build resilience to the effect of climate change as in Vietnam and Malaysia. In the end decade, OFDA has been provided nearly $1.2 billion in DRR funding in 91 countries and 762 partners. What the next? The goal of the conference is to build on the foundation of the previous framework and establish a new way forward to encourage everyone to take further steps toward reducing risk. Given the trend of increasingly devastating natural disaster, focusing on DRR has never been more important. In the coming year, disasters are expected to become more numerous and take greater tolls due to climate change and growing world population and more people settling a hazard-prone area. With each disaster, development gains are threatened, our infrastructure is destroyed, poverty increase, and economic opportunities are interrupted or lost. But we are not resigned to this fact. OFDA mission to be save lives, alleviate human suffering, and reduce the social and economic impact of disaster as long as disaster threatening lives and livelihood. DRR must play a key role of moving forward. तो ये आपका लास्ट लेक्चर, सेकंड लेक्चर था, कंप्लीट हुआ। इसमें आपने जो भी कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के बारे में पढ़ा। थैंक यू।